case you haven't heard, Joel Comm has produced a show that features 12 aspiring entrepreneurs battling it out for $25,000 cash prize and an opportunity for a large-scale joint venture. The contestants were taught by internet marketing legends like Mark Joyner, Marlon Sanders, Armin Morin, Michael Koenigs, and others. They were tested in individual and team-based challenges, all the while being followed by cameras that recorded their every move. This is the world's first internet reality TV show, and it's called The Next Internet Millionaire. The show is now online. Just visit www.netmillionaire.biz and learn how you could become an internet millionaire too.